What's going on, YouTube? I wanted to make a quick video here um, on my scooter. Now I just got this headlight that I bought from eBay. I think this was like 13 bucks or something like that. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to install this on the scooter. So I'll show you guys what I do with that. I'm going to install it right here on this part of the bar. Might have to go and move the phone mount though. So let me go ahead and install it, and then I'll talk about it in a little bit and show you guys how bright it is too. All right. Okay. All right. So before I install it, you know, this was a head lamp or flashlight. So it comes with a strap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the strap. So I'm gonna get the strap off, and then I'm just gonna take the headlight unit, and that's all I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. So I wanted to show you guys that before I do it. All right, guys. So just finished installing the headlight. I'll show you guys how I did it. So first I took off the straps that was remember, like I said, it was a headlamp, and so I took this off. This is the strap that goes around your head, so I don't need this. I took it off. Now a few things that kind of worked out for me was with the extension bar place right there. I was, I got enough room to fit it in, slightly in the middle, towards the right more, I guess. But so a few things that kind of worked out for me was the strap for the bag. Now the headlight came with this plate, and it kind of swivels right here from right there. All right, so you can angle it up and down. So after I took out the straps from here, there's 3 points, I was able to use the bag's mounting strap to kind of hold it down right here on the back end. All right, and then I used the 2 zip ties and went through these holes right here so that I could have it attached to the handlebar, the extension bar. And so that's how I installed it. Now it's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then the wiring for the battery pack is right there. All right. And I have the battery charged and everything, so I charged that last night when I got this package in. And so, I'm just installing it right now to see how I was going to be able to do it. And so I'm showing you guys that now. And so I wanted to demonstrate how bright the lights are. And then I'll go over the reason why I bought it. So let me cut off most of the lights here. I'm inside the house, and I'm just gonna face it towards the door. All right, so you guys can see. Let me turn this headlight off. Okay. Okay. And then let me turn this light off. Okay. I could probably turn this off too. Let's see. Okay. And then let me turn this one off. And then let me turn this one off. All right, so it's gonna be dark here in a minute. All right, now let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on the scooter. Okay, and I'll show you guys what the stock headlight, how bright it is. So that's how bright the stock headlight is. All right. So I'm just showing you guys this for comparison. So that's the stock headlight. Now I'm gonna turn that off. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlamp that I just installed. So that's the first setting, which is one LED light that's on. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try the next setting. That one right there is much brighter. All right, now this one has, let me see, so 3. So earlier, the setting before this one was just the 2. So the first setting was just the middle one. Second setting was just these 2. And now the third setting is with all 3 of them on. All right, now this one is a different kind of setting. It's more spotlighted, more focused into one area instead of being spread out like this. So that one is just like a spotlight basically, not spread out. And this would be with all 5 of them. Right, yeah, so all 5 of them light on. So the 4th setting, let me show you guys what the 4th setting was. So that's the first one, second one, third one. Here's the 4th setting, which is the little spotlight right there. Okay, and then this is the 5th setting, all 5 of them. And then they have the strobe. So this is the final setting. And that's pretty damn bright to be a strobe light. I think that would be kind of dangerous, you know, seeing it from oncoming traffic. I wouldn't advise using this really for a strobe. So just for comparison again, here is the stock headlight. That's the stock headlight. All right. First setting, second setting, third, the spot, and then all 5 of them. All right. Now, let me cut some of these lights on, then I can talk about the reason why I bought this particular headlight for the scooter. Now, I was searching around, looking for a headlight, And you know, most of the scooter headlights was, I don't know, 250 lumens, 750 lumens, and anything higher than that, they were, you know, around $30 to $45 range, for about that kind of lumens, around 750. And so, you know, I got to searching on eBay, and this is actually one of the headlamps that I was looking to buy, you know, when I work on cars and stuff like that at nighttime. So I figured, hey, why not, you know, use it for the scooter. And so that's the reason why I bought it, for 13 bucks. I think this one is, I don't know, they rated it at 350,000 lumens or something like that, but you know, I don't know. I don't have a light meter here, so that's just kind of like what they claimed on there, on the you know, eBay's page. And so it comes with a battery pack, which is rechargeable. And the good thing about this battery pack is, oh, that one is kind of blurry. Wait a minute. Let me focus. So when you plug it up to a micro USB right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, a micro USB plug right there. It comes with a cable too, but you could just plug it in, and then these lights right here would be a gauge to how fully charged the battery is, which I like. It kind of, you know, lets you know if the battery is full, so you know, before you use it, you'd be ready and set. Now that's one of the reasons why I bought this one, is because it has a rechargeable battery. Now the battery is the 1850, the big one, the long one, which is two of them in there, and so they're pretty bright. I can't remember the number. I think it was like 1850 or 18500 or something like that. But for the use, I think it's good to have. Definitely a must-have if you're going to be riding at nighttime. You know, the stock headlight, it's okay. I wanted something that's more visible, so that's the reason why I went with this. And for the price, it's not bad. And like I said, you know, you're able to mount it on here with, you know, minimal effort, really. 2 zip ties, a strap, and another strap. So, you know, it's fairly easy to do. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out outside, and let me see if I can take a video of that. All right, hold on, guys. All right, so I'm back. Just stepped outside real quick, and if you guys haven't noticed, it's pretty dark out here. You know, riding your scooter at this time, you definitely need something to light up the roadway. And so I'm gonna go ahead and test this headlight out. Let me show you guys how bright it is while riding. And I think I'm gonna go with shit, I might have just go all the way to all 5 of them right there. All right, and then let me bring this down here. Okay, yeah. switch hands. All right, let's go. Ooh. Okay. So as you guys can see, this thing is pretty bright. Let me make an adjustment real quick. So let me make an adjustment real quick. I think I need the headlight higher. Right about there should be good. Okay. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to show you guys how bright it is. I mean, this headlight reaches all the way out there, you know, without really any problems. Now I'm just gonna test out the headlight for just a quick bit on this video. Then after that, I'm gonna have to go and cut it off. But next thing I'm gonna do is I want to see how long a fully charged battery for this headlight lasts, and I'll let you guys know that next time. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you guys out in picking and choosing which headlight to use for your scooter. Alright guys, later.